Most people think love is kept alive with big gestures, flowers, dinners, surprises. But research shows something much smaller makes the biggest difference: gratitude. I call it the gratitude note hack. Once a week, or even once a day, leave your partner a handwritten note. Just one line: "Thanks for always supporting me," or "I love how you make me laugh." It's simple, but powerful. Psychologists found that couples who practice gratitude feel more connected and argue less. A single note shifts focus from what's wrong to what's right, from what you lack to what you love. Imagine your partner finds a note on their coffee mug: "Thanks for all you do." Their stress eases, their heart softens, and your bond grows stronger. So here's the challenge. Try leaving one note every day for a week, and watch what changes. Love isn't built only in big moments, it's strengthened in small ones. Small notes, big love. Try it, and follow for more relationship hacks.